Hello friend, today we are going to learn how to create own image classification model with the help of Keras. First of all, I will show my dataset to you. These are the open eyes dataset for training model. The another one is close eyes. Okay, I will show my script. These are the libraries I'm using for training a model. Then I'm passing my path of the images open eyes and close eyes. Then append to a list. Then I create a loop which I get the images from. First of all, I created convert the images into RGB mode, then resize into 20 and 20 width and height, then convert array into binary form by divided of 22 to 55, then transpose. After that, after transpose, I reshape the array of shape of the array, then append into X for feature, Y for labels for training the model, then convert it into numpy array. Then after all that creating the array of features and labels, I split my data set into two parts for testing and training set, and that I have two labels for training the models. First, the open eyes and the close eyes for detect which eyes close or not. Then I categorize my labels into 0 1 binary form, vectorized form, and passing base size is 1. The number of classes I have is 2. Number of epochs I am running on model 2020. The filter I am using is 32. Number pool size is 2 and convolution model is 3. First of all, I applied sequential model, and then one by one I am adding layers to in it. First is convolution of 2D, passing filter of size 32 with pool size of 2 and 3. Border is same. The input shape of my dataset is that I mentioned above um, of my dataset. Then applied activator. Then after that second convolutional 2D. Then after that activator for max pooling for like the largest largest array from the pool. Then apply dropout for overfitting. Then flatten the whole array. After that applying dense layer with 128 filters. At the end I'm using softmax activation for that provide me and the output of from the model. After that I've compiled with categorical cross entropy, and optimizing I'm using is Adam. And then fit I am passing my X train and Y train data that I've split above, and the passing base size of 1. Number of people I'm passing is 20. Verbose for show the training, and passing my validation data set for checking my validation accuracy. After that I'm saving my H5 model for future use. With the help of H5 library I can save my model. Now I'm running my script. The first I remove my previous models. Now I'm running my script. It will take some time to train the model, so wait for it. Now you can see that the mod is the start model training. As you can see it increasing or decreasing in every epochs. It runs on 20 epochs. At the end the model is saved with accuracy of 100 and training accuracy and validation accuracy 100, and save the model. I have also made a prediction script for real-time scenario. I have loading image, the close eyes image I have cropped. Now I'm first of all I am loading my pre-saved model for prediction. First I open image, and same as the previous script resize, then convert into array of binary, then transform, then reshape. After that I'm passing into array. After the model loaded, then use to predict class for which class is the images. After that I'm using loop for check that the image eye is closed or not. I'm running the script for before check that the model is working good or not. It will take time. As you can see, it shows sleeping just because of I am passing the image. Eye is closed, it means sleeping. Thank you for listening, guys. Bye bye.